Let us help you with all your cleaning needs, either it's residential or commercial. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com for residential and any cleaning services for commercial. This is our ebook. If you need one of that, you just call me or text me. I will be more than happy to send you one. It's a free cost. I don't charge for that. In that ebook, I will explain who we are. We are a small janitorial cleaning business with giving big results in the community. I have been in the cleaning business for more than 18 years. This is our story. Our mission is cleaning for health first and then appearance. I'm showing you some photos of our company and the people that work with me. Our vision is to provide the best cleaning services around town. The services that we provide is residential, commercial, and industrial. I'm gonna give you all the information right here. We do cleaning new construction buildings. We just finished a big project in Davenport. We have to clean a school. So they build some 18 classrooms and we have to do the final interior construction cleanup. We are licensed and insured, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. We also provide rough interior cleanup, detail orientated cleanup after new construction cleaning. This is some photo of the actual jobs that we did. We work long hours to meet your deadlines. We provide all the equipment and supplies. We have the knowledge and skills to do the job efficiently and effectively. We have all the tools in order to clean a commercial building, a retail building, an office, or a new house. Also, we provide everything that is post-remodeling cleaning services. We scrape the windows. I have a lot of photos showing you the type of service that we do. And this job is when we were hired in Winter Haven to clean a storage unit, 125 unit that we have to clean. So we remove the fine dust after the construction of the building finish the house or the property. Also, we do commercial cleaning services, and this job was in Oviedo. We were hired for the fire department next to the police station to sanitize all the bathrooms and cleaning and deep cleaning the floor. And the other job is in Orlando, cleaning a warehouse, Vitas. Vitas is a company that provides all health medical equipment for hospice. Right here I have other jobs in commercial resorts, Champions Gate, offices. We do carpet cleaning, commercial carpet cleaning too. We also do and offer residential cleaning services. If you just bought a house, congratulations. We are gonna be neighbor. We are located in Davenport, close to Champions Gate, but I serve all Central Florida. We travel. We also offer heavy-duty house cleaning, move in, move out, in case that you need to move out or get your deposit back, or you are a realtor or a tenant or a management company. Just call me 407-572-4118. Also, we offer recurrent house cleaning maid service. We offer carpet, rug, upholstery, tile, grout cleaning services. We have a truck mount and all the equipment necessary to perform good and clean your surface, either carpet, upholstery, tile, or grout. Also, we have all the equipment necessary to clean the windows and also solar panels. This is some photos of previous jobs. I have a lot of information in our Facebook, and also we have a YouTube channel with really good information. We offer also pressure washing. for driveways or curb. And we provide all the equipment and supplies. All our equipment is commercial grade, from backpack vacuums to HEPA filtration. If you have problem with odor, we have a system that it will control the odor. A lot of photos of us and our equipment. Also in this page, I'm telling you the social media portfolio that we have. We have a YouTube channel with 3,400,000 subscribers. A Facebook page we opened in 2011, and Google My Business, and we opened in 2011. And right here is the picture of my Facebook, our Google Business with really good reviews, and our YouTube channel. All our services are 100% warranty. We have the skills to perform good, to be efficient. We are loyal and reliable, really good team. We have a really hard-working team of people that we are used to clean houses and commercial buildings and offices too. On the back side, all the people that have been in some way cleaning or working with me in some way into the company, I'm really grateful and thankful for those people that believe in me since day one. And this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and my telephone number 407-572-4118. Thank you. If you want a brochure or ebook, just let me know, WhatsApp, or email me at anyhousecleaning@yahoo.com. Bye.